Welcome to the GVM Light Kit setup. In this video, you will learn how to use the LED panels the Light Kit has. The Light Kit comes with 3 LED panels, a stand, as well as an AC adapter and extension. To begin setup, grab your stand, loosen the bottom screw and extend the legs out by pushing down. Not all the way, but just before the middle hits the ground. To adjust the stand's length, use the screws on the side, starting from the top to bottom, loosen, then tighten once set. Take a look at your light. The holes on this end allow you to place the light on your stand, either on its side or straight up. This preference depends on how you decide to use the tool. Simply unscrew, place, then screw firmly on the bracket. To fix the angle, loosen the adjustment knobs on both sides of the bracket and adjust it as needed. Tighten once finished. Once you're set, you may use one of the 2 power supplies provided. 2 battery ports if they're available to you. Or connect an AC adapter to an extension cable, plugging the adapter to the power input. The adapter extension is best used when you are recording for a long period of time. Before turning on your lights, first open the door panels. These barn doors help control the direction of light. Depending on what power source you're using, you might have to flip a different switch. To the left with the double lines, it's for battery powered, and to the right for just one line, it's for the AC adapter. Now you're all set. Let's take a deeper look at the different light settings available to you. By scanning the QR code, you can use your smartphone to connect and control your lighting setup straight from your hands. But for now, let's look at how the control knobs can manually be used to adjust your lighting, temperature, color, and brightness. The left control knob, labeled BRG, will increase or decrease your brightness. You can see the percentage on the screen. The right control knob, labeled Hue, will change the color setting. When in Kelvin, setting the switch will move between warm and cool tones, 3200 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin. 4500 Kelvin is your middle ground. Press down to change between modes. When in Hue, twist the right knob to navigate the color spectrum. Press again for saturation. This setting uses the last color set on Hue to change the color saturation from soft to hard. Press down again to reset to Kelvin mode. If you're interested in the special presets like party lights, cup car, lighting, and more, long press right control knob for Tim. Here you have 18 different presets to play with. Press down on the right knob for a certain setting that allows you to change color temperature or the effect's speed. Long press to exit Tim. Now that you know all the tools to adjust your light panels, time to break down. Switch off your lights, close the panel doors, unplug from the back and from the outlet, and unscrew your light from the stand. Make sure that all stands are put away with their extenders down, legs closed, and screws tightened. Place bottom first into the bag so the top is by your opening. Place bag stands in the pockets with the flap. Double check that your support handle is fastened in the right direction and no screw is loose. Put the light in its bag and fit into the pocket of the bag. Please remember that it is important to put the cords away neatly so that they won't get damaged. Wrap the cord, following its memory. Never force it. Use the red elastic straps to tie the cord together. Place the items back into the box and zip it up. Never shove the equipment or zip it if it struggles to close. Always rearrange it. Now you are ready to use the GVM Light Kit for your next project.